Where's that one we had at home?
I don't know. Put it on, Susie, let's have a look. Are you putting it on or not? Don't swear.
Well.
It was a joke. Put it on, so you put it on and I say, are you putting it on? Hello, love.
How are you?
Fine. It's nice to be polite.
You don't even call me love.
I do when I want something.
No, you don't.
Hey, this is it, look. This is what we want to look at. Portable wireless soundbar. That's better than makeup, Sue. Yeah, wait, we're on electric stuff. What's this? USB charging tower. Everybody wants to know where the tiles are from. Poundland. It's a different shop, but they've not got them clever tiles. What? What's these down here, Sue? Alright. So they haven't got none? Yep. None in. None in. Shall I go and ask, see if they've got any back?
Yeah.
So we're in Poundland, but they haven't got any left. So it looks like we're going to have to wait. Anyway, while we're here, I want to show you something. I've just pulled up on Morecambe Promenade and this is annoying me, and I'll show you something. This is why councils are turning against campervans. Not camper, it's the whole community. I'll show you something, you decide. Now then, it's windy. There's my van. As you can see down there. Another van. Morecambe's windy prom today. Look at this. A caravan. No car. That van's not connected. And another caravan. And then further down, there's a camper. Oh, look at that. Now that is annoying. It's not a caravan park. You know, if you want to park something on any promenade or get a camper van. You can't just plonk a caravan and just drive off. I can see now why councils and people are getting upset at things like that. I mean, there's just no need for it whatsoever. What can you say? If I was in charge of this place, I would just say no campers and caravans. I'd say I've had enough. There's another caravan at West End Promenade. Why would you park a caravan? You've got to be on a site with a caravan, or at least off-road somewhere. You know, I'm sure these are not slim potato head in Canada. Off-roading in the middle of nowhere, that's great. You don't get one and plonk it in the middle of town. Anyway, rant over. It's unbelievable. So that's why we're all going to get barred. You know, get a camper. If you can't afford a camper, get a cheap van. My mate that we'll go and see later on, hopefully today or tomorrow, he bought a van, chucked a mattress in back, he had a camping cook, a camping thing to keep warm, and a bucket to pee in, and a tub for water. No, he's on holiday. You know, come on. You don't plonk caravans up from. I'm just going to go in Motormania. Where's my stuff at? So we bought them. You can probably see them better now in a bit of daylight. As soon as he's finished the kitchen, I'll show you that in a minute. What a fright George gave us. But what a difference a day makes, doesn't it, baby? Eh? Frightened to death. I think my biggest problem is I watched Benji just walk away quietly and just pass away, and that's what I thought she was doing, so I was panicking. Called the vet came out, gave her an injection, £120 later. He decided, he could have took her, and I said, well, what does that involve? He said, well, I'll just leave her in a cage overnight and tomorrow I'll have a look at her. I said, I'll leave her here. She shouldn't need to be on her own in a cage. You don't have her in your own, everybody's cage, do you? Hey? So I don't know what the problem was. I'll let you have a look at this little clip. Sue seems to think that she licked a tree at the service station. So I don't know what's gone on. The only thing we did do, we drove to Skipton and then went to Harrogate, dropped the grandson off at his army base, and I thought to Sue, I said, I wonder if she's panicking because he's got out and gone, because obviously if he dotes over him when he's with us. So I don't know what it was, but anyway, she's better again, ain't you, baby? Eh? She never leaves me alone, she's always sat with me, always. And when we went in, she just ran straight on the couch and then went into, you know, she just sort of walked off on her own. I thought, oh no, what's going on? Didn't I? Hey? Right, so what the plan is, I only managed to get 2. I think they were £19 or £17 for 2. I got them off, I'm going to say Wish then, Amazon. But they are FLAMMA make, they're a proper make for the bike rack. So I'm obviously going to take 2 off. But what I'm thinking is, if I can get some cheap spray paint in Motormania, like fluorescent orange or green, I'm not bothered which, because, you know, I'd make it look colourful. I'm hoping today brightens up a bit so I can clean them, you know, I'll scrub them, let them dry, and then I'll spray them outside. You can't spray them inside, but I'm hoping that's the way I can go with it. If it doesn't work, I'll have to buy 2 more, but if it does work, I've spent 3 or 4 quid on a can of paint. So that's the idea of that. So let's go and get some spray, and then we'll put them on. And then I'll show you the kitchen. I hope you can hear me. I've started wearing this now. I bought this off Wish. I don't know if you can see there. This mask I've got, I'm not wearing it anymore. I had that on for about half an hour yesterday. Was it Sainsbury's or Asda? Alright, mad red rash there. So anyway, I've bought this now, so it's just a case of, you know, I'm hoping it goes away. Anyway, Motormania, look at this. He was showing me paint and he said, you could do with an undercoat with it being rubber. He said, but I'll tell you what I have got. He says, I've got some, look at that. Now look at the colour. I said, that's perfect, that'll do. How much are them? He said, well, they're just £1.99. £1.99, how would you beat that? I said, that's fabulous. I said, I'll come again. I go there all the time anyway, but... So, let's go and change them. And hopefully, in this video, today, it'll clear up a bit and I can spray paint them. He said, give it a few coats. He said, and, you know, it might expand it some, you never know. Just keep an eye on it, but... if it does, I'll just end up buying 2 more. But if I don't have to buy 2 more, great, I'll spray paint the 2 I take off, and then I've obviously got 2 spares all the time. Let's go do that. What a good day it's turned out to be, isn't it, Georgie? Right, I thought I'd show you what we've got. There, look, that's the state they're in. Now the new ones I've just took off, they are quite tough plastic. I'll just give this a good clean. See how dirty that was. Now we're going to be able to get the other off. Whilst holding the camera. Oh, just. I knew there was a lot of dirt underneath, so I took the other one off yesterday just to test it. Right, there we go. So obviously I've got 2 spare now, which you can see, and a finger full of mud. Alright, let's get a new one on. How am I going to do it holding camera? Right, hang on. At least it fits, and they are tough plastic. If in doubt, a good clout. Let me put the camera down. Now let's have a look. There's the old ones. So let's get the rubbish. Oh. There's usually another van parked here. I don't know if he lives here, but there's usually another van. Oh. Hey, missed me. I've only been gone a second. So now then, I've got them 2. I'm going to wash them and I'm going to spray them. I've got nothing to lose. It was £1.99 that spray, so you can see the colour. That's the colour. So that's the colour they should be really, but obviously over time with the sun, you know, it's bleached them or whatever. So I'll give them a good wash. I don't know if I can spray them today because I've got to do it outside. Oh, sorry Benji. I've got to do it outside because you know, fumes and things like that. You can't do it in the van. You can't do it in somebody's house. So I don't have a garage. So let me show you Sue's finished kitchen. Now let's put the light on. There's a light under there. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. What a difference, let's go over this side and do it. Right there, look. What a difference that's made. Now then, somebody did say to me, is this fireproof? But the thing is, when you use the gas, that's going up. So what I'll do, I'm going to spray paint them. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do it today. I don't know if I can or not. So I might upload this video and then just show you in the next video that me spraying them, getting them on, and you know, as well as other things there. Should we leave you on at the end? And you? I'm sure I've got some footage of you from the other day. Right, so that's what we've been doing. It was just, I wanted the whole kitchen thing to be one video, but obviously what a struggle it was trying to get the last piece. We only needed one in the end because Sue had some offcuts that, you know. So anyway, we've done it now. So I wanted this kitchen video to be one video, but anyway, such is life. And such is Georgie. Hello, baby. Hey, the love of my life. I'm Benji. Where you at? Where you at? Where's my little boy? Where's my little boy? He's looking for a way over. Come on then. You can jump that. Well, I knew you could. I knew you could do it in one. Hey? Right. Hey, and thank you for the lovely messages for George. You know, I was overwhelmed, but I just wanted to let you know what was going on with her. And I'm just so happy. Anyway. What can I say? A lot of prayers later and she's alright. Aren't you, baby? No, I don't know what the problem was, but anyway. So, that being said, you've seen Susie, that's Benji, and there's little Georgie. I'm Smithy. Stay safe, be as lucky as I've just been, and hey, I'll see you soon. I wonder who them two are watching.
Hey.
It's you, working.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.